This is a pair of late 1970s Japanese-made Sony drivers that I pulled out of some old homemade speakers. They are rated for 3 watts at 8 ohms, which make me believe that they were used in some kind of radios or small bookshelf speakers. They are surprisingly soft drivers, especially for old cloth surround ones. This allows them to have decent bass and no mechanical noises thanks to the vented cloth dust cap. The paper cones are also in rather good shape. The only issue is that one voice coil is misaligned and tends to scratch at higher volume, but that's not what they are made for anyways. Mids are a bit overwhelming and they lack a bit of highs, but that's not surprising for such old drivers, especially for radio looking ones. They have a 1-inch AlNiCo magnet powering a open 5-inch voice coil, and as you will hear, those sound quite good for what they are.
Plans, leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away.
No, you guys did not hallucinate. The dust cap just popped.
Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We're on all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We'll run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Burn, my thirst and desire.